Today, I'm going to show you how to create a perfect circle image in Photoshop using the most flexible method available, the layer mask technique. This is one of the best ways to crop an image into a circle because it keeps your photo editable, non-destructive, and easy to adjust later if you need to move the circle or change the image inside it. So if you want a clean circular cutout for social media, profile pictures, logos, or web graphics, this tutorial is going to make it super easy. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Photoshop and load the image you want to turn into a circle. On the right side of the screen, look at your layers panel. If your image is sitting on a locked layer and it says background, you'll need to unlock it first. Just click the small lock icon next to the layer and Photoshop will convert it into a normal editable layer, usually called layer 0. This step is important because locked background layers can limit what you're able to do. Now we need to make a circular selection. Go over to the left toolbar and find the rectangular marquee tool. If you don't see the circle option right away, click and hold on the marquee tool to reveal the nested tools. From there, choose the elliptical marquee tool. This is the tool that lets you draw a perfect round selection instead of a square or rectangle. Once you have the elliptical marquee tool selected, click and drag on your image while holding down the Shift key. Holding Shift is what constrains the selection so it stays perfectly circular rather than becoming an oval. As you drag, you'll see the dotted selection outline appear. Try to place it around the exact part of the image you want to keep inside the circle. If you start drawing the circle and realize it needs to move, don't worry, just keep holding the mouse button down and press the spacebar. That lets you reposition the circle while you're still drawing it, which is really useful for getting the placement just right. Take your time here and make sure the circle is centered where you want it. If you're making a profile photo or a logo style image, you usually want the main subject centered nicely within the selection. When the selection looks perfect, it's time to apply the mask. At the bottom of the Layers panel, click the Add Layer Mask icon. It looks like a rectangle with a circle inside it. The moment you click it, Photoshop will hide everything outside your circular selection. Instead of deleting the extra area permanently, it simply masks it out, which means you can always go back and edit the mask later if needed. That's why this method is so flexible and beginner-friendly. Now you should see your image displayed inside a clean circle with the outside area turning into transparency. In Photoshop, transparency usually appears as a grey and white checkerboard pattern. That means the area outside the circle is no longer visible, which is exactly what we want. If you want to use your circle image on the web or in another project without a white box around it, you need to save it correctly. Go up to File, then choose Export and click Quick Export as PNG. You can also use Export As and manually set the file format to PNG. PNG is the best choice here because it supports transparency, which keeps the empty areas around the circle invisible. Before you save, make sure the transparency box is checked. This is a very important step because if transparency is turned off, Photoshop may add a solid background instead. Once that's confirmed, hit save and choose the location on your computer where you want to store the file, and that's it. You've now created a circle image in Photoshop using a layer mask, and you've saved it as a transparent PNG so it's ready to upload anywhere you want. This method is perfect because it keeps your design editable, clean, and professional. If you want more Photoshop tutorials like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.